Does this sound like you? You're working 40 plus hours a week, your product is solid, your team is hustling, yet your revenue is just flatlining. Here's the thing. Until you remove the single toxic belief lurking in your subconscious, you're not going to see the clear, simple path out to 7 figures and beyond. The truth is, your subconscious runs the show. It's like one of my past 8-figure clients, Sam Evans, who's Alex Hormozi's business partner, founder of consulting.com and school.com, once told me. Your beliefs cause your actions. Your actions cause your results. So if you want different results, start by changing your beliefs. For one of my clients, that toxic belief was, if I get too successful, people won't like me. For another one, it was, if I become too successful, I will get overwhelmed, stressed, and burnt out. And another one of my clients had the toxic belief that was, I don't feel comfortable being the face of my brand, which cost them millions of dollars because that was really their competitive advantage, that they had someone so perfect to be the face of the brand. Now, for me, in the past, I had this limiting belief, which was, I don't deserve to make more money than my parents. And at the time, that belief kept me absolutely broke. Even I had enough skill, enough talent, and enough know-how to be making millions at that time, but I didn't. And you will have your own version. Your belief, your prison, your revenue cap. These beliefs act like invisible handcuffs, keeping you chained to your current revenue level, costing you at minimum hundreds of thousands, potentially even more. So right now, you could launch a killer new funnel, hire the best talent, or land a dream client, and still sabotage your own success because your subconscious will always win. Always. No exceptions. Imagine another wasted year. Another 100 grand, 500 grand, a million, whatever it is for you, left on the table. Another 365 days of what if, struggle, and frustration. But what if you could identify and obliterate the one limiting belief in just 90 minutes? The time to break free is now. And that's exactly what we're doing in tomorrow's exclusive live workshop, Break the 6-Figure Prison, Eliminating Limiting Beliefs for 7-Figure Growth. In this live workshop, you'll learn and experience the number one limiting belief holding back even talented entrepreneurs and how to crush it in an instant. My proprietary 4-step NLP technique that annihilates your limiting beliefs in minutes. The secret 3 energy ball technique that neurologically installs new, empowering 7+ figure beliefs for rapid revenue growth. Number 4, a personalized roadmap to integrate your new mindset for massive results. The result, you'll walk into this live workshop feeling stuck, and you'll walk out feeling unleashed. Whatever has been holding you back will be removed and replaced by empowering 7+ figure beliefs designed to skyrocket your income. It's the exact process I've used with my private clients to unlock their exponential growth, and in fact, I've used it on myself too, and it works. Now, the regular rate for these workshops is $297, but for the next 24 hours, your investment is just $97. Why so low? Because I'm on a mission to help as many entrepreneurs break free from their self-imposed prisons and skyrocket to 7 figures and beyond. As of now, the 7 spots left. It's going fast. Your move. Don't let another day go by trapped in your 6-figure prison. Click the link in the comments or in the description to reserve your spot now. To your prison break. Mark Dhamma, high performance coach to 7 and 8-figure entrepreneurs, unleashing your entrepreneurial potential to quantum leap your revenue. P.S. Remember, this isn't just another mindset workshop. It's 90 minutes that will completely transform you and your business trajectory. Click the link in the comments or in the description and I'll see you tomorrow on the workshop.